Hello and welcome. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to explore a very useful and interesting topic, similar triangles. You may have noticed things around you like maps, photographs, artwork that look exactly like the original but are smaller. These are examples of same shape but different size. In geometry, we call such figures as similar figures. When the figure in the question are triangles, we use the term similar triangles.
Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the lengths of their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Shall we explain it with an example? Consider two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Vertices of ABC corresponds to vertices of PQR. Okay, these two triangles are similar. But what else do these triangles convey? What do they tell us about the sides and the angles? Well, first let's look at the sides. Similar triangles always have the corresponding sides in proportion. In these two triangles based on correspondence, side AB corresponds to side PQ, side AB and side PQ. Similarly, side BC corresponds to side QR and side AC corresponds to side PR. Corresponding sides in proportion means ratio of all three pairs of corresponding sides will be equal. The ratio of AB to PQ is equal to BC to QR is equal to CA to RP. AB and PQ are corresponding sides, BC and QR are corresponding sides, and CA and RP are also corresponding sides. But what does this actually mean? It means each side is scaled up or scaled down by the same factor. Here, the factor is AB is increased to get PQ is the same for BC is increased to get QR and for CA is increased to get RP. So remember, when the triangles are similar, the corresponding sides will be in the same proportion. Now, let's look at the angles. Similar triangles always have the same shape. What does that tell us about the angles? Yes, the measures of the corresponding angles of similar triangles will be equal. Based on the correspondence of vertices, angle A corresponds to angle P, angle B corresponds to angle Q, and angle C corresponds to angle R. So, angle A will be congruent to angle P, that is, measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle P, which means if we measure it with a protractor, they will be equal. Similarly, angle B is congruent to angle Q and angle C is congruent to angle R. When the triangles are similar, the corresponding angles will be equal. Thus, we can conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Is similar to can be replaced with this sign. So it can be written like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If we have given either of these conditions, we can say that the triangles are similar. So, if we are told all pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion, we can be sure that the triangles are similar. Or even if we are told the corresponding angles are equal, we can be sure that the triangles are similar.
So now you know what is meant by similar triangles. I hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you.